Hi everybody, welcome to You So Can. Today we're going to talk about pulling them out or leaving them in. And I'm talking about pins. Now there's two schools of thought. Either you pull them out or you leave them in as you're sewing along. Some people swear by one or the other. However, I think probably most of us that sew probably do both. It just really just all depends. It depends on how bad my ADD is kicking in. It depends on whether or not I'm using my seam guide, whether or not, depends on what type of fabric I'm using. You know, if it's too thick, then you really don't want extra stuff jacking up your shit underneath the feed dogs. But if you're just using a simple cotton or something and it's just kind of thin, fine. If you're using a delicate fabric, you might want to not have all that, extra stuff to get up underneath there. The only thing I will say you really should work on trying to do is just make sure that those pins are on that top layer of fabric. As you look down, that's the top layer of fabric that goes underneath your sewing, your presser foot. If you have them on the underside, be careful. I have had stuff get caught in my feed dogs before, but it's been rare. But just be careful. But then also too, just like if you leave your pins in, there is the chance of pins getting bent. I have broken a needle before and shit has flown at my face before. Scary as fuck. Okay. So just do what you feel comfortable with. Be careful with it. If you feel you need to practice, go for it. That's all for today, everybody. Like, subscribe, ring the bell if you feel like it, tell a friend, or just curse along with me. It's all good. All right, everybody. Be excellent to each other.